Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today we're going to talk about a new spreader that I just purchased. This used to be my old spreader, and I had to get something else. So when we return, I'll show you what I got and why I purchased it. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my old spreader. I've had this one probably about 2 or 3 years now. As you can tell, it's just a smaller spreader. I have a pretty good size lawn out here, and it was just taking me forever to spread any type of pre-emergent or fertilizer or seed or anything like that, and I just had to go up to something else. Now this is a great beginner's spreader if you're just wanting to take care of a small yard or even a big yard in the beginning. This is good. Now, what I don't like about this one is I don't like the plastic wheels. Sometimes when there's too much weight in the bucket, the wheels have a hard time kind of moving, okay? Also, I mean, it'll hold a full bag, like a 50-pound bag of fertilizer, but it's way down here. So I kind of got it when I go to push, I kind of got to lean over a lot, okay, especially when there's a lot in the bucket there in the front part. So I had to go to something else that gives a little bit more height, a little bit more width, and I wanted to get rid of the plastic wheels. So I purchased this from Vevor. The bucket's a lot bigger. As you can tell, it's up to here now, and I don't have to bend over to move it. We have the air-filled tires. If I go over a bump or anything, it's not so jarring, and it just kind of just smooths, it's a smooth ride all the way through. I have the controllers up here. It controls how much seed and fertilizer is coming out. I can move this up and down just like this, and it's just, it's a better setting, okay? And now I did look at some other ones on Amazon, and they were a lot more expensive than these, and then this one from Vevor. I paid about $180 for this. If you go to Amazon, I think the cheapest one that I saw was about $250, okay? This one's built great. It has metal framing, so the metal framing's good. And I've been using Vevor products probably for about 5 years now. I've used their landscape barrier. I've used their landscaping rakes, things of that sort. And, everything so far has done pretty good. Now, it's not the best of quality, the tools that I've gotten from them, but, if you're just using it for, around the house and spreading things and stuff like that, it'll last you a long time. This one right here, it's very heavy. This spreader is very heavy, and I think it's made out of good quality. It even comes with a cover to go over the top here. That way, all the dust doesn't come back in your face. With this one right here, it was all in my face, and especially when it's really dry, all that dust from the fertilizer or anything, or the pre-emergent, would just kind of getting in my face, and I actually don't, and that may be causing me problems in the long run. I don't know. I always had like some type of sneezing reaction to it. So now I can just cover this up, and I don't have to worry about all that dust coming back in my face. So I think it's going to be a great product. I think if you want to invest in one of these, I'll leave you a link below, and I think you'd really be happy with it. I think I'm going to enjoy it because I'm going to be using it here probably in the next week after all this rain has passed, and we're going to put some more fertilizer out. So I just want to show you this new spreader that I got and just compare the two. You can buy this one at Lowe's if you're just a beginner, and that would be great. Just know that if you're a tall person, that you're going to be kind of crunching down. Okay, I'm not very tall. I'm 5'11", but you know, at this height, it's just hard to get this thing around. So, but anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check this out, and I hope you can use it, and I hope this video helped you out. And remember to always like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.